a library and there are lots of books. Really? Do you want to see a book? Yes? Do you want to see this one? About the dinosaur? No? Which one do you want? Delisa's book. But Delisa's book we can see it later, okay? Now we have to see this one about the dinosaur. How many dinosaurs? Roar! Well done. Really good. And you? Do you know what color is a dinosaur? What color is it? Green. Very good, Akila. Well done. And you? The dinosaur has 2 eyes. Where are your eyes? Point to your eyes. Very good. Your eyes. And where are your eyes? Well done. And look, do you want to open the book? Are you ready? Yes. Come, so let's open it. The dinosaur again. But look, that's a friend. And what's that? Who knows what's that? What's that, Danny? The butterfly. Very good. It's the butterfly. And the butterfly is flying. The butterfly is flying. Flying, flying, flying. Well done, the butterfly. Let's see the next page. What's that? The centipede. Ooh. And what color is it? What color is it? Yellow. Well done. It's yellow. And this one, the body. What color is the body? What color is it? Orange. Well done. And this is the centipede, and the centipede has a lot of feet. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yes. And let's see now what's that. Look, Martha. What is this? The sun. And what color is the sun? Yellow. Very good. And how is the sun? The sun is round and round and round. Well done, Martina.